for national security. Honorable Speaker, I am certain that the committee during vetting did engage with him in depth, and definitely knowing that matters security are not matters to delve into in depth. But we must tell Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Noordin, that before we have seen incidences like those of Shakahola, incidences of rampant attacks by terrorists in Lamu, in northern Kenya, and I am glad Noordin is from northern Kenya, and therefore he has a responsibility as he safeguards the lives and property of Kenyans, first to safeguard the lives and properties of people in northern Kenya and along the coastal belt bordering the border with Somalia. Honorable Speaker, we are all in the East African region, Greater East African region, in very unsafe regions in terms of security. And therefore, the Director General of NIS will be critical in ensuring not just the safety of our country, but also guaranteeing the safety of our neighbors and ensuring that the insecurity coming from our neighbors, from the war in Sudan, the war in Congo, the ongoing war in Somalia, does not in any way infringe on the safety and security of Kenyans. Honorable Speaker, I also hope and I pray, and I know the Noordin Haji is a dedicated public servant who will never allow state capture to take over his office as Director General of NIS. That NIS will never be used like it was used before to settle political scores. That the Honorable Junet Mohammed will feel safe, just as I will feel safe with Noordin Haji holding the office of Director General NIS. And I want to pray and wish him well, and pray that the House will this afternoon approve Noordin Haji as our next Director of NIS. Wishing him well and hoping that he will act to ensure that he ignites intelligence services right at the sublocation level, that never again will Kenyans experience the Shakahola kind of tragedy that we have experienced, where over a period